Guys, it is time for cake at stake.
Already? Really?
No.
Really?
No.
Really?
No. Shush. But first we have to get Pen and Woody and Eraser and Golf Ball and Leafy and Queenie and Rocky and Match and Spongy and Tennis Ball and Blocky and Pencil and Pen and Snowball and Bubble. This time it's the squishy cherries who lost. Let's do cake at stake. Okay, let's count the votes. Wait, that doesn't seem right. There we go. It was the first time that digit was used. We weren't sure if it would work. See, there are 10 contestants in the cherry team, but only 9 slices of cake, which is now key lime pie.
I really do not like key lime pie. Yeah, neither do I. Can we change it?
No, gosh, and you don't even have to eat it.
Yeah, get a, chocolate cake next time we're here.
Ooh, I love chocolate.
Hey, me too. I also love ice cream cake.
Oh my bubble blower, that is so delicious. Delicious.
Get on with it. So, if you get no cake, you leave BFDI. Pen, you have a win token. Would you like to use it now? No win token for you. So first I will say who has 0 votes. Eraser.
Ugh.
What? All cake is good cake.
Also at 0 votes. They're all girls.
Hey!
Except Match.
Yeah. Here, you want?
Now, people, the rest of you all had at least 1 vote. Pen, who is supposedly boring, is at 1 vote. Fiery, you too.
Woo!
Match, no need to worry. You two are at 1 vote. It's nearing down to 3 people. Blocky, Spongy, and Woody. Now I will call out who else is safe. At 2 votes is...
It's got to be Blocky.
Sure, yeah, Blocky. Spongy is eliminated at 4 votes. So we have to send him to the TLC. Our center scoop thrower has not been tested, but I'll use it. The third contest is a test of memory and basic knowledge. It has 20 questions. The team that gets the higher total score wins. The highest scoring contestant receives a win token. Oh, and grapes. An Ice Cube Recovery Center creator is currently producing an Ice Cube Recovery Center. However, it's quite slow. Go.
Hey, it's me! Whoa, you're so right.
This is so stupid! 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 How am I supposed to know this?
Good. Oh no! Woody, don't tell me you have testophobia. That is not permitted, and you shall suffer the consequences.
Do.
Rocky, you have to learn how to write. GB and I know how to. No. I think it's Chinese people like that would do anything. Wait, I can't stop! Yikes!
20 minutes left. Needy.
Don't call me needy!
Do you think non-existent Icy is mad at me?
No! So, how's it going on the test? Just drew a little doodle.
Ha ha. Guess what, guys? I found the test answers! High five! High fives for me, thanks.
Look, Pence, I got a mini match too. We can pretend they're us.
Oh, absolutely coolio!
Let's play Spongy Cake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who do we not adore? Spongy. Spongy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who do we not adore? Spongy. Spongy. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thanks an octodecillion match. Now our stupid tests are stupidly on stupid fire.
Can't stop, can't stop.
Go in, fall, you go in.
Hey, me, being Mayor Wood.
I do not like fire. I've gotta kill it.
Oh, it's great to be alive.
It didn't do it.
Boy?
Match, how could you kill your own friend?
Don't blame her. Killing me is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
I just learned 2 things about Bubble. She can be suicidal, and she's so dumb that she doesn't know how to count to 3.
Needy.
Don't call me needy.
It's raining. What? A teardrop family reunion? No!
Yeah, it's out.
Now all we have to do is copy down the answers. Ooh, risky.
Okay, Match, since now we know how dumb Bubble is, we should rip up her test since we know she'll fail.
Grrr.
Done. Rocky, you haven't started? You don't know how to write, do you?
Boop. Time's up. Turn in your tests. I did not receive a test from Needle, Woody, Fiery, Leafy, Match, Pencil, Bubble, Tennis Ball, Coin, Eraser, Ice Cube, or Snowball. But for the ones I did get, here are the totals. The Squishy Cherries, with exactly 20 more points, win.
Grr.
Let me double check with my test and wait, where are the test answers? Blocky and Pen, you two obviously cheated. Your scores will be set to 0. Ironically, now the Squashy Grapes, with exactly 20 more points, win. So the cherries lose, and one of them goes home, and Golf Ball wins the win token. Which one? It is your turn to vote.
Guys,
I have to go to the bathroom.
Get on with it!